So today we're gonna do the famous squishy dumplings, and it's right there. Let me put my where do I put? I'm gonna put my controllers. So I'm recording right now. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing it, but I'm showing everyone in my whole family. This one. Yeah. Oh, okay. These are hard to open. Ain't gonna lie. Ah. So, our choices are these. Oh. Oh. Hmm. 3, 2, 1. But if you get, yeah, yeah. I'm saving this. But if you get a good one, can I have it? Uh, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh. I'll do it. A blue one. I know turquoise. Well, I'm sad it ain't a good one. I'm sad it ain't a good one. I'm not spoiled. But if I get to 30 subscribers, I'm gonna face reveal. Yes. So I'm gonna face reveal if I get to 30 subscribers. Yeah. Some YouTubers face reveal. So bye.